Good morning everybody, and welcome to my new assembly. Today we're going into the woods.
Here we are in a piece of beautiful woodland, a secret location somewhere in North Yorkshire. Below us we have last year's leaves rotting down to produce food for the trees. Beautiful light seeping through the trees. And we have bluebells. Thousands and thousands of bluebells.
And here we have a beautiful tall sycamore tree. And this one is a beech, one of my favourite trees. And here we have a beautiful English oak. No. So here we have an ash tree just about to come into leaf. Ash is always one of the very last trees to burst into life.
And here's the edge of the waterfall. Down and down and down.
And here we have the Niagra Falls of North Yorkshire, standing on the edge. Oh.
What I really want to talk today about is not what's up there in the trees, but what there is down below. Deep, deep down below. Let's go down.
So, I've been reading an amazing book up in my treehouse called Underland, and it's all about what happens down there below the ground. You never know where Blore is going to appear from next. And never say that Mr. Blore doesn't have style. He is my style.